Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Poco M4 5G is updated and has enough battery. Performance features can misbehave on low power. Once done, open Settings and type Game Turbo in the search to jump straight there. If Game Turbo doesn't appear, enable Developer Options. Go to About Phone and tap MIUI version 7 times, then return to Settings. This gets the phone ready, so you can change system-level performance and notification rules that will affect game behavior. You now open Game Turbo and add the games you play by tapping the plus icon. Adding them links optimizations to each app directly. Next, enable CPU and GPU boost options for higher frame stability and set network priority to reduce lag. These change how the system allocates resources. Also turn on notification blocking and floating windows control so alerts don't interrupt play. These settings change scheduler and background limits, which is why you see smoother FPS and fewer dropped pack. Finish by testing for 10 minutes while watching the performance overlay to confirm FPS and CPU readings. This verifies your changes. If your phone overheats or battery drains fast, scale back boost levels or disable aggressive network priority to balance thermals and runtime. If only one game still stutters, clear that app's cache or reset Game Turbo settings and re-add the game. Sometimes stale policies persist. These steps let you tune performance versus battery and quickly recover from misconfiguration if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.